Yeah, so here I've got the inner fender pretty well done. And I started working on the outer fender to get this, what they call butt welding onto this panel on the outside. So I'll do that little bit at a time, and then the next bit will get on there, and then hopefully I'll get around the other side. But the inner fender turned out, oh wait a minute here now, gotta get the damn light. The inner fender turned out all right. I painted black where it was bare metal. So I'm gonna put some, what that rust tar stuff on there so that it keeps from rusting up. And it might be okay. Yeah, there we go. It's the next little bit done. It's starting to look back like a car again. Gonna take a little bit of body filler to make the lines right on it because I can't get the metal bent quite right. I'm not that good at it. Anyway, keep on doing it. There we go. Yeah, boy, it's hard to get this thing to take pictures sometimes. Anyhow, here I am. It's December 5. And I got some progress here, like it's getting, that's all new metal all the way around there. And butt welded in, as they call it. And it looks like it's all right underneath here. All that rotten stuff's gone. And then over here, all that rotten stuff's gone. I guess I could use some light in there. Hang on, I'll get the light. There's the light. Yeah, so all the rotten stuff's gone out of there. Still have to do some more work up on the top here to get that properly put together, but it's coming along. So we'll see how we do. We've still got to go on the running board down here. Nothing done there yet, but that's coming along too. Yeah, so I'll check in again in about a week. See how we can do on it. So far so good. That's all nice and solid too. You can bang on it with a hammer and it doesn't seem to matter. Doesn't bother it. Anyway, there you go. That's the shop for the day. That's that welder cooling off over there. Well, I got a couple of new tools. There's an English wheel here, and this is the thing for making gouges in metal, or whatever you want to call it. Haven't done anything more up front yet. Still got pending on that. And on the other side, haven't done any more up front on there. And down in here, it's just this side here, haven't touched it yet. There's lots of work to do around here. But it looks like this is pretty solid up here. I'll put a magnet on it and see if it's actually metal. Because it'd be nice not to have to do anything to this, because that's horrible work trying to get all that fixed up. So if I have to just fix that up in here, that'd be good. Anyway, there's the report for the day.